Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem there, right about that S. Put one finger in there and then push it left. That's gonna unlatch a secondary latch right there. That's how it works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod from right there and then put it in that slot right over there, and then lower the hood a little bit to secure it, and that is looking good. Let's get started with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it is just go behind it. That's the bulb holder. All you have to do is just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and that's it. Now it comes right out. Now when you're handling the bulb, ideally you should be wearing gloves or you touching it only with a towel, but this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to show you exactly how I grab and pull the bulb out. Just pull it out straight. The bulb replacement type is 3457NA. Again, sees it right there on it, 3457NA. Get the new bulb and push it back into the bulb holder. Ideally you should be pushing it down using the base of the bulb, that plastic, so that way you don't apply any pressure on the glass surface when you're pushing it back in. And that's good. Now let's put it back into the light. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this, and once it's sitting in place, just twist your right to lock it in place. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever. That gray bulb holder, the bottom one, not the top one, the bottom one, that's the one. Just twist your left to loosen it, and out it comes. Same bulb, same process, same everything. Again, over here too, when you're putting it back in, you have to be patient and may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Once it's sitting flat, just twist your right to lock it in place, and you are done. Now to close the hood, just first push on the hood to take the load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.